Carbon monoxide, CO, is a poisonous gas that is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, which makes it very dangerous. It is a result of natural gas or other material which has carbon in it, like kerosene, propane, or wood. It's frequently mixed with gases that do have an odor to make it easier to detect. The best known and most common occurrences of CO is from the exhaust of an internal combustion engine. Stoves, grills, fireplaces, gas ranges, or furnaces are possible sources in homes, and it's a concern because someone exposed to large amounts of CO can lose consciousness and eventually suffocate. Health hazards. When carbon monoxide is inhaled, it displaces the oxygen in the blood. This starves the brain, heart, and organs of oxygen. Exposure can cause headaches, drowsiness, nausea, or dizziness, and symptoms are often described as flu-like. People with heart problems can experience chest pain. Continued exposure can lead to vomiting, confusion, and muscle weakness. Symptoms and their intensity can vary in people, with the vulnerable, such as fetuses, children, the elderly, or those with existing diseases, being more affected. High altitude can also intensify the effects. While often fatal, CO poisoning can be survivable if caught in time. However, damage to the heart and brain could be irreversible. If a person sleeping soundly is exposed to high levels of carbon monoxide, they can die from poisoning before they have any symptoms. If CO poisoning is suspected, the victim should be moved to fresh air in a well-ventilated area, and emergency services should be contacted immediately. If the victim is breathing, 100% oxygen should be given if available. If the victim is not breathing, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, should be administered. Be aware that rescue efforts can be dangerous, possibly exposing the rescuer to toxic levels of CO. How to avoid CO poisoning. Carbon monoxide detectors alert the household to CO concentrations, much like smoke detectors do for fire and smoke levels, and are now mandated by most building codes. Like smoke detectors, the batteries should be changed regularly and the unit tested. Additional precautions, including getting the heating system, water heater, gas appliances, and gas fireplace serviced yearly, and make sure all gas appliances are properly vented. When there are power outages or serious weather events like hurricanes, people do what they can to stay warm and cook food, but certain items should never be used inside. Do not use chemical heaters, portable gas camp stoves, or burn charcoal indoors as fumes can be toxic. Don't use a gas oven to heat the home. Generators should be used outside and kept a minimum of 20 feet from doors, windows, and vents. Don't run a car or truck in a garage attached to the house. Even if the garage door is open, the fumes can still seep inside the house. If the home has a chimney, it should be checked yearly and cleaned when necessary so there are no blockages that will back up the CO in the house. As a real estate agent, it's important to know the carbon monoxide and smoke detector requirements for your state and town and inform the seller. If the detectors need to be installed prior to closing, find out who in your area does inspections to ensure that they have been installed properly and issued the applicable certificate.